students, it's me Nitin Matthew who will be teaching English for grade 3. I'm glad to help you in expanding your knowledge through this lesson. So the topic for today is descriptive writing. The aim of our lesson is to understand how to write a paragraph describing a person. The key words we will be dealing today are paragraph and topic.
So students, in the previous lesson, we were dealing with adjectives. Do you remember what are adjectives? Yes, they are describing words. And what do they describe? Yes, they describe a noun. So adjectives are describing words and they describe a noun. Yes, let's move on. Now today I'm going to read a paragraph and you are going to listen very carefully because I will be asking you questions. So Rohini, my 8-year-old student, is different from other students because of her appearance and personality. She already stands at shoulder height next to me. Her hair is red, long, thick and stylish. She has chubby cheeks with bright blue eyes. The gaps in her teeth make her look funny when she smiles. She has broad shoulders and so fat belly. I realize that her hands are as large as mine when I shake hands with her. She plays a lot and defeats even older children at the games. She is very polite and gentle too. She never fights with anybody. She helps the other students with their work. She shares her meals with everyone. She looks after her little brother at home and helps me with grocery shopping. To sum up, I can say that Rohini is big, strong, caring, helpful and gentle. So dear students, as I was reading the paragraph, I know you were listening carefully. Now, what helped you to know about Rohini? We have studied from our previous lesson certain things. Connecting to that, what helped you to know about Rohini? Yes, I used two things in the paragraph. Or when I read, you must have noticed two things. They are be verbs which we learned earlier. Which are they? Yes, is, am or are. And I also used suitable adjectives. What are adjectives? You all know. Yes, they are describing words. So I used these two words, be verbs and adjectives. That is why you were able to know about Rohini. Now let's find out the adjectives we used in the description or in the paragraph. You might have noticed a few adjectives. Shall we find it out? Yes. Rohini is 8 years old. So 8 years is an adjective since it describes about the age of Rohini. Hair is red, long, thick and stylish. There, red, long, thick and stylish. Those words are adjectives because it describes about the hair of Rohini. Her face is chubby cheeks with bright blue eyes. So chubby and bright blue, both are adjectives which describes about her cheeks and eyes. The gaps in her teeth make her look funny. So it describes about her teeth. So the word funny is an adjective. She has a broad shoulder and a fat belly. Which are the adjectives here? Yes, broad and fat. because you know that it describes about her shoulder and belly. And she is very polite and gentle. Which are the two adjectives that you could find? Yes, polite and gentle. Now finally, Rohini is big, strong, caring, helpful and gentle. So all these words like big, strong, caring, helpful and gentle, they describe about Rohini. So they are also called adjectives. Now, what do you call for a short writing of 200 words? As I was reading, it was a short 200 words paragraph. So what do you call for short writing of 200 words or 500 words? Yes, they are called as paragraph. Now, did you understand what is a paragraph? They are short writing of 200 words or 500 words. A paragraph has three important criteria. When you write a paragraph or when you listen to a paragraph, you should listen carefully whether it completes these three criteria. They are: a group of sentences make a paragraph. Secondly, a well-formed paragraph stays on a topic. And thirdly, it focuses on the quality that describes the person best. So these three criteria, let's take the sum of all these three criteria. They are: it should have a group of sentences, then only we can call it as a paragraph. It should have a topic. It stays on a topic, then we can call it as a paragraph. It also has the quality that describes the person. So these are the three criteria. Now, today what did we learn? Yes, we learned to know about a person, we need to have certain criteria. There should be some be verbs. There also should be few adverbs, which helps us to understand a person, because adjectives are describing words about the person. So it is all necessary. Then we also saw that we just revised what are adjectives and be verbs, and the importance of adjectives and be verbs in the paragraph or describing a person. And we also saw the importance of writing a paragraph and what are the criteria, what are the three criteria. We saw what were the three criteria. Yes, it should be a group of sentence, then it should have a topic, then it should also have a quality of the person.
I perceive that you have understood the lesson and this learning experience was useful and informative. Have a nice day and stay safe.